Hello everyone. In this video I will show you different ways to select a subject or a subject in a picture or a section in an image using Photo P, which is again the same thing as using Photoshop. They are very similar in many ways. Once you understand how it works, you can work in both of them, okay, on both of them. So let's get you practicing a little. Let's go to Photo P. Okay, you remember in my previous video I used the select menu, but now let's see if I can do it again. Can I do it again? Select subject. Now it's telling me non-premium users can use it once a day. So I overused it. I used it once a day, so I can't use it anymore. So now computing is all about finding solutions, finding alternatives, okay? Finding shortcuts, finding different ways to solve the same problem. So now we can't use the select subject, which was amazing and easy. Now we're going to use different tools to select. Now this time I'll select my dog and be able to hopefully move it in front of the wall with the cat. Okay, so let's have a look. So now we have the image, the background, let's say original image. Double click on the layer and you'll be able to rename it. Double click on it on the text and you'll be able to rename it. So original image. Okay, click enter and I have my original image. Now one way of doing it is to use the lasso select. Okay, this is a lasso select. With this you have to click first time and then just follow. Okay, just follow around the dog. Keep your finger down and then just follow around the dog. Just follow around the dog, just to show you, and close and hide my selection. Okay, so that's one way to select. It's not accurate, it's not precise, but it's one way to select. Now I can do Control C and Control V, and now I'll have my dog selected to a certain thing. Now another way to select, pay attention, another way to select is to select color range. Okay, color range. So now with my color range, when I click on color range, select color range. So you saw what I did there, yeah? I selected the rough, area of the dog, copied it, and then pasted it. Now I have my dog with very little blue and green, okay? So now I can select the range. Let's see if I can do with the fuzziness 0, and then come here, and okay, let's have a look. Okay, move tool. You have to have the move tool selected. And then let's see if I can. No, replace plus fuzziness 0. Okay, now the dog. You can see now the difference between sample color. Okay. Now I have more or less my dog. What I can do is go to, let's do this one again. I don't want you to be confused. So again, select color range. This is good when you have two colors. Okay. When you have two colors, it's good. It will help. Let's see if I selected everything. Let's now click OK. It selected everything. Okay, because of the colors. All right, let's do something else quickly. And now color range and reduce. Okay, and add the less fuzziness. Let's see now if I can do this. Okay. Let's see if I can. No, okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah. It's mixing up the images, pictures, that's fine. This color range would work perfect if it was two colors, clear colors, okay? So Control Z and I come back to where I was. So now let me show you another way. Now if I go to quick selection, you have the plus and the minus. So that's adding selection and that is subtracting the selection. I'll click on minus and then try to subtract the selection now. Okay, now it's adding selection, okay. Minus, okay. Slowly, this is, slow work, but you need to be patient, but you get good result, hopefully. And selection. All right. Okay. So that's that. I'm just going slowly over the green now. And let me see if I can inverse the selection now and just get the dog. So go to inverse and hopefully get the dog and see what happens. If I copy and paste again, and this time I got the dog. Whee! I got the dog now with less background, but still, we still have the green, we still have, okay, we still have the thing, we still have some border, which is not natural, okay? So one other way to do this now is to, let's see if I can do it by zooming. As you saw last time, in our starter, I showed you, let's see if I can erase. Okay, so now if I zoom as much as I can, and then I make my eraser smaller, and then start deleting those green bits. You see the power of now the pixels or bitmaps or the bitmap images. Look, now I'm getting rid of all those. And if you want to move your picture, your image, click on the space bar and then drag. If you have your Chromebook and you don't have a mouse, so click your space bar and oh, you need a mouse for this. Oh no, hang on, how do I do? Okay. Or you can zoom it. Let's zoom it out first. Let's zoom it out. Control minus to zoom it out. Move. Okay, it's fine. Control plus to zoom in. Now, if you want to move the picture, you have to select the move tool. In your case, because you're using Chromebooks, select the move tool and you'll be okay. Select the move tool and you'll be okay. So now I go back to my eraser and just erase those. Go around and erase those green. There are other ways, of course. This is just a simple. You can see if I click on my space bar and then my mouse, I can move automatically very fast. And now I'm just dragging my eraser over the dog, over the edge of the dog to make it faster. Okay, trying to work faster now, just to show you one way of doing these things, okay? And I'm sure you'll find different ways, maybe better than me, okay, better than mine. And if you find, leave a comment, okay? Leave a comment and share with us how you did it, and then we'll be learning from each other. And that's the point, okay? That's what I want. Let's get rid of this green. All right, so now, lots of green. I don't want to go deep. Okay, so this is the magic of zooming so much and working with the pixels. Okay, we are now doing 1 pixel at a time, literally. All right, we're going over time now. How are we doing? Okay. You got the idea, yeah? So getting rid of all this. It's a bit now of a mess, but hopefully we'll have less of this green stuff. Okay, Control Z for this and then do it again. Let's zoom out and see how the dog looks now. Okay, we still have one side. Go back to the move tool. Go back here. Now zoom in again. Control and then the plus symbol, okay? You click on Control, then the plus symbol, and you'll have your image zoomed in. I'm moving the dog now. And I get rid of all of this. Again, this is very basic, okay? I'm just showing you the basic way. There we go. As you can see, pixel by pixel. And if it's a one bit color depth, you know what it means? It's only black and white. That's only 0 or 1. That's 1 bit color depth, okay? This one has got more, obviously. So you see all these colors. This one may be 8 bits color depth. Let's have a look very quickly. Mode is 8 bits per channel, okay? 8 bits per channel. So you have, I don't know, loads of colors. Loads of colors. Per channel, so per red, green, or blue. All right, so now get rid of this. It's getting long, this video is getting long. Okay. I don't want any green. Okay. And you know, not to waste too much time, sometimes you zoom out and okay, zoom out and then you can see there are different techniques of manipulating the image. I challenge you to find those techniques, okay? Open Photopea, open your image, and then try to find the different techniques. Right. Is it good enough? I see still some green, red. Let's do this way. Control Z and okay, let's have a look. All right, now move tool and back. Okay, what do I do? What do I do now? Do you remember? Click, drag, go back, and drop it. What's happening? I seen it came to the bottom, so make it in the thing. Now all I need to do is go to Edit, Transform, and Scale. And then scale it. The dog is bigger than the cat, so my dog is bigger than the cat. Okay. So now we have the dog and the cat. All right, I'll leave you to it, and I'll see you next.